Okay, take your grammar books and turn to page number 69. Okay, take your grammar books and turn your book to page number 69. I'm going to ask you a few questions. The ones who know, please unmute yourself and answer. Okay. What are nouns?
Ma'am, page number what, ma'am?
Page number 69.
Animal or thing.
Very good, very good. Kalpana also told correctly. Even Aaron Paul also said correctly. What are nouns? Nouns are nothing but the names of places, person, animals, or things. Any word which names a thing is called as a noun. Naming words are called as nouns. Okay, then you'll also learnt about what are verbs, right? What are verbs? What are verbs? Very good, Gladwin. Okay, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. Any word which shows an action. For example, drinking water. Okay, running, jumping, playing. All these are all called as verbs. Okay, today we are going to learn what are adverbs. Okay, today we are going to learn what are adverbs. You all know what is a verb? What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Okay, now we are going to learn what are adverbs. What do you mean by adverb? Any word which gives you more information about a verb. Okay, how an action was done, where the action was done, okay, and when the action was done. Okay, all these. Okay, when something
Like present tense, past, simple future tense also is same only, no, ma'am?
Okay, remember what is an adverb? An adverb gives you more information about when the action was done. Okay, when the action was done, where the action was done, and how the action was done. Okay, for example, if you say, I went to the market yesterday. Okay, I went to the market yesterday. So when did I go to the market?
Yesterday.
Very good. So it answers the question when. Right? Okay, so when did I go to the market? I went to the market yesterday.
Each letter will be the letters, ma'am.
Yes, Kalpana, first you understand. Okay, then if you have any doubts, then you ask. Okay, Kalpana? Okay, very good. Okay, so when did I go to the market? I went to the market yesterday. Okay, next one. I met my friend here.
Yesterday when I come.
Okay, so where did I meet my friend? Very good. Be loud. Here. Okay, so where did I meet my friend? I met my friend here. So it answers to the question. Meeting is a where did I meet my friend? When did I meet my friend? I met my friend here. Okay. Next one. She writes neatly.
Ma.
Okay, she writes neatly. So how does she write? How does she write?
Neatly.
Very good. She writes neatly.
Okay.
Okay. So in this sentence, write was the verb. Right? In this sentence, met was the verb. And here, this sentence, went was the verb. Okay, so it answers to the question. This is the verb. The first sentence, the three sentences which I gave you, it is not there in your textbook. Please do not open your books. Okay, this is the example which I've given you. Okay, do not open your books now till I tell you. So here in the first sentence, I went to the market yesterday. In that sentence, went is the verb. And then it answers to the question, when did I go? When did I go? I went
Yesterday.
yesterday. So yesterday is the adverb. Okay. Second sentence, I met my friend here. Okay. In that sentence, met is the verb. Yes, met is the verb. So it answers to the question where. Where did I meet my friend? Here. So here is the adverb. Next one, write. Okay, she writes neatly. Okay, so write is the verb here, the main verb. So how does she write? She writes
Neatly.
neatly. Okay, so these are called as adverbs. Okay, so what are these called as? Adverbs. It answers to the questions when, where, and how. Okay, remember all the ones which answers to when. Okay, all the adverbs which answers to the question when are called as adverbs of time. Okay, what are they called as? Adverb of time. It tells you when. Okay, next one, the sentences which answers to the question where. Okay, this is called as adverb of place. Okay, in which place it took place. Okay, next one, all the verbs which answers to the question how. This is called as adverb of manner. Okay, so in this lesson under adverbs, we're going to learn three: adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Okay, so what are the three different adverbs that you're going to learn? What are they? I just now told you, no? Adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Okay, now take your grammar books and turn your book to page number 69. Okay, turn your book to page number 69.
69.
Yes, page number 69. Okay, now the first sentence, worksheet 1. Read the sentences given below and note the words that are highlighted. Okay, first sentence, Neeta and Naman were playing with their friends yesterday. Okay, Neeta and Naman were playing with their friends yesterday. Second sentence, Naman fell down and hurt his hand. Naman fell down and hurt his hand. He started crying bitterly. Okay, he started crying bitterly. Okay, now the words that are highlighted are called as adverbs. Which are the words that are highlighted here? Yesterday, down, and bitterly. So these three words are called as adverbs. What are they called as? What are they called as? Adverbs. Okay, Kalpana, you need to pay attention. I told you page number 69. Anyone who's still struggling with which page number? All of you have turned your book to page number 69. Yes. Okay. So here, like I told you, they tell you when, where, and how an action takes place. When, how, and where an action takes place. These are called as adverbs. Okay. Fun to know and easy to understand. Adverbs of manner. Okay. Adverbs of manner describe how an action takes place. For example, here, how did he start crying? He started crying bitterly. Right? Okay, remember most of the adverbs of manner will end with an ly. Okay, next one. How an action takes place in a sentence. The man walked briskly. Okay, so here the adverb of manner is briskly. How did the man walk? He walked briskly. Okay, next one. The girl jumped joyfully on hearing the news. Okay, so how did the girl jump? She jumped joyfully. Okay, she jumped joyfully. Yes, it answers to the question how. Remember, all the ones which answers to the question how, they are called as adverb of manner. Okay. Next one, adverbs of time describe when an action takes place. Okay, the program started early. When did the program start? Early. So it gives you more information about
Early.
when the program starts. It answers to the question when. Okay, uncle will arrive soon. When will uncle arrive? He will arrive soon. Very good. So here early and soon are called as adverb of time. Okay. Next one. Adverbs of place describes where the action takes place.
Takes
Okay.
place.
I looked for my pencil everywhere. Where did I look for my pencil?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So it
Everywhere.
talks about place. These are called as adverb
Ma'am.
of place. It talks about, it answers to the question where. Okay. Children are standing there. So where are the children standing? There. Very good. Okay. So where are the children standing? These. Remember, for adverb of manner, it answers to the question how. Adverb of time answers to the question when. And adverb of place answers to the question where. Okay, just remember this: when, where, and how. Okay. Now turn your book to the next page, page number 70. Okay, page number 70. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of manner, choosing them from the help box. Okay, below you have a help box given. Okay, the words are brightly, slowly, impatiently, cunningly, beautifully, attentively, merrily, carefully, silently, and lightly. Okay, like I told you, adverb of manner generally ends with a ly. Okay, children, you need to select the right word from here and fill the blank here. Okay, the snail is moving dash.
Slowly, ma'am.
Slowly. Very
Slowly.
good.
Slowly, ma'am.
Yes, now in the first dash there, right? SLOWLY, slowly. Okay, right? SLOWLY, slowly. Kalpana, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. SLOWLY, slowly.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Second one. Okay, second one. The birds are chirping dash in the garden.
Beautifully.
No, not beautifully. No. Let me see who can get the right answer.
Attentively. Attentively.
No.
Merrily.
Attentively.
Merrily.
Merrily. Very good, Aaron. It is merrily. Okay, now write the second blank, right? MERRILY. 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 Okay, all of you have written merrily. How are the birds chirping? They are chirping merrily. Okay, next third one. The shopkeeper speaks dash to everyone. The shopkeeper speaks politely. Very good. He speaks politely. Okay. Write the answer. POLITELY. Okay. POLITELY. Politely. Okay. Next fourth one. Everybody listened dash.
Silently.
Everybody.
Carefully.
No, it is not carefully.
Carefully.
No. When you listen, you have to listen attentively. Very good. Answer is attentively. Write the answer. ATTENTIVELY. 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 Okay. Next, fifth one. The carpenter worked dash to finish his work. The carpenter worked
Patiently.
no. The carpenter worked
Carefully.
no. It's not
Cunningly. Ma'am, cunningly. Silently.
No, it's not cunningly also. See, when I give you something for
Silently.
writing, if I give you something for writing, if you're busy talking, will you be able to complete your work? No. So how should you write? You have to sit silently, right? Then you'll be able to concentrate and you'll be able to complete your work. So the carpenter worked dash to finish his work silently. Very good. Write down the answer. Silently.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
first one is silently. 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 Next one, Jane is driving dash in the rain. Very good. Answer is carefully. Okay, write down the answer. C-A-R-E.
Carefully, ma'am.
Yes, carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Carefully.
Rightly, ma'am.
Carefully.
Rightly, ma'am.
Cecil, answer is carefully. Please write down the correct answer. C-A-R-E.
Ma'am, right, ma'am.
You finished writing? Good girl. Okay, next seventh one. Seventh one. The lightning flashed dash in the dark sky.
Beautifully. Brightly, ma'am.
Brightly, very good. When it is dark and the lightning comes, it is really bright, right? Okay, so the answer is brightly. Right. B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Brightly.
Excuse me, ma'am. Beautifully dash from the train.
Okay, everyone is written?
Okay,
Okay, now next one, eighth one. He waited dash for the train to arrive.
Carry.
He waited.
Impatiently.
Very good. It is impatiently. Write down the answer. I-M-P-A-T-I-E-N-T-L-Y. Impatiently. I-M-P-A-T. I-E-N-T-L-Y. Impatiently. Okay? Impatiently. Okay, next one. The jackal moved dash towards the deer.
Ma'am.
Cunningly. Very good. Answer is cunningly.
Cunning, ma'am.
Yes, right. C-U-N-N-I-N-G-L-Y. Cunningly. C-U-N-N-I-N-G-L-Y. Cunningly.
Beautifully, ma'am.
Yes, last one is beautifully. Krish decorated
Beautifully,
his
ma'am.
chart. Beautifully. Very good. Okay. 10th one. Krish decorated his chart. Beautifully. Yes, right. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L-L-Y. Beautifully.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, all of y'all have finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, the ones who are writing, write fast. Okay, the last one is beautifully. Beautifully. Okay, all of you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
next main.
Yes, ma'am.
Next main. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of manner. Okay, beautiful adverb. I'm sorry, suitable adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. First one, we walk dash to reach the bus stop. We walk. You can use any of your own words. How do you walk?
Fastly, ma'am.
We walk fast. Okay, you can just write fast. We walk fast. How you walk? We walk fast. That's why I said most of the words will end with ly, not everything. Okay, so here you can use the word fast. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is written fast?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, second one, the vendors shout dash to sell their wares. You have a vegetable vendor coming, how do they shout?
Loudly.
Very good. The second one, write loudly. Loudly. Loudly.
Yellow.
Loudly. Loudly.
Loudly.
Okay, everyone is written. Next, third one. Yes. Next, third one. The dog wags its tail dash when it sees its master. Yes.
Billy, ma'am.
How does the dog wag its tail? It wags its tail
Joyfully.
joyfully, happily. Okay, you can write happily. Happily. Happily or joyfully, both are right. Okay. Any one you can write. Any one you can write. Either happily or joyfully. Both are right. Okay, next. Fourth one. Harish finished his work dash.
Soon,
You have to use adverb of manner. Quickly. Very good, Manvi. Okay, answer is quickly. 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 Okay. Answer is quickly. 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 Okay, everyone is finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, you must do your sums dash if you want to score good marks. Correctly. Very good. Answer is correctly. 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 Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Correctly. Correctly. Okay, all of you have finished?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next. Yes, who's that? Okay, next, sixth one. The sick man talked dash.
Politely, ma'am.
No, when you are sick, will you be able to speak loudly or actively? You'll feel very weak, right? So the sick man spoke very weakly. Right, Weakly. Remember, it is not Week, it is Eakly. He was very Weak, right? Anyone who falls sick, they are weak, right? Okay, so the sick man talked weakly. WEAALY, weakly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
finish what is 51, ma'am?
First one is correctly. CORRECTLY, correctly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, seventh one. Oliver looked at all the food dash. Oliver looked at all the food dash.
Looked. Look.
I want you to use an adverb of manner there. How did he look?
Careful, ma'am.
Not carefully. See, when you see biryani, when you see chicken biryani in front of you, how will you feel?
So happy.
You feel hungry, you'll feel like eating immediately, right? So you can use,
ma'am.
yes, you can use different adverbs here. So you can say Oliver looked at all the food excitedly. He was excited when he saw the food. Probably he was feeling very hungry, so he looked at all the food hungrily. Okay. Here you can write looked at all the food excitedly. EXITEDLY, excitedly. Okay. He looked at all the food excitedly. EXITEDLY, excitedly.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Sanjay. Okay, next eighth one. The little girl cried dash when she lost her book.
Little girl.
Bitterly. Cried bitterly, fine. Okay, right. BITTERLY, bitterly. Okay, the little girl cried bitterly when she lost her book.
Book.
Yes. Ritik is feeling sleepy still?
None.
No? Okay, all of you have finished with the second main?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so remember most of the adverbs of manner will end with an ly. Okay, most of the words will end with an ly. These are called as adverb of manner. It answers to the question how. Okay, shall I erase the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is still writing? Ritik
Ma'am,
is
I
busy
finished
yawning. Write
writing,
fast.
ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, what? Writing, ma'am.
Eighth one. There is no ninth one here. There's only 8 till 8.
Ma'am.
Seventh one is excitedly. EXITEDLY. Excitedly.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Okay. Now turn your book to the next page. Page number 71. Okay, page number 71. Shall I erase the board here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now turn the book to page number 71. Underline the adverbs of time. Remember, it answers to the question when an action happened. Okay. First one, we will visit my cousins soon. Which is the adverb of time here? Soon. Very good, Manvi. So underline the word soon. Underline the word soon.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, Krish went to a party yesterday.
Yesterday.
Very good. Underline the word yesterday.
Teacher will take
Okay. Next, third one, teacher will take a test tomorrow. Very good. Tomorrow. Underline the word tomorrow.
Mom cooks dinner now.
Underline the word tomorrow.
Now.
Next one, mother is cooking dinner now. Now. Very good. N-O-W.
Now, ma'am.
Underline the word now. Next, fifth one. The postman arrived late. Very good. Underline the word late.
Father will leave
Underline the word late. Next one. Father will leave early for his office. Early. Very good. E-A-R-L-Y. Underline the word early.
early.
Okay. Next one. Mohan plays golf regularly. Very good. Regularly. Underline the word regularly.
Write a letter to my
Okay. Next,
Grandparents.
eighth one. I often write a letter to my grandparents. It is not grandparents.
Often, ma'am.
Very good.
Often.
Then it is often. O-F-T-E-N. Underline the word often. Underline the word often. Next one. Neeta went to help Naman immediately. Very good. Answer is immediately.
Immediately.
Very good. Underline the word immediately. Okay. Next one. We sometimes go to the zoo near our house. Sometimes. Very good. Underline the word sometimes.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Now these words are called as adverb of time. It tells you when an action took place. Okay. Now next main. Now underline the adverbs of place in the following sentences. This will answer to the question where. Okay. Now first sentence. I guess we're running short of time. Did you understand till here, children? Yes. Okay. The next main we will do it in our next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt?
Ma'am.
Okay.
I
If
do, ma'am.
you